It is tax time again. myTax, the ATO online lodgement tool, is now open for the 2025 to 2026 financial year. Before you rush in and hit submit, there are 5 quick things worth doing first, because getting them right is the difference between a fast refund and weeks of delay. Let us run through them. From the 1st of July, you can lodge your 2025 to 2026 return online through myTax, accessed via your MyGov account, according to the Australian Taxation Office. If you are lodging yourself rather than through a registered tax agent, the standard deadline is the 31st of October 2026. Mark that date now. Here is why your method matters. The ATO says most returns lodged online through myTax are processed in around 2 weeks, whereas a paper return can take up to 50 business days. That is close to 10 weeks. So if you want your money sooner, lodging online is the single biggest lever you have. This affects almost every working Australian who earns income. According to the ATO, online returns process in about 2 weeks, while paper can stretch to 50 business days and self-lodgers have until the 31st of October. Whether you're an employee, a sole trader, or someone with investments, these dates apply to you. Let that number sink in. Around 2 weeks for an online refund versus up to 50 business days on paper. That is the same money, just landing far sooner. The ATO is clear that lodging online is the fastest route to your refund. Here is the catch most people miss. The ATO recommends waiting until late July before you lodge, because that is when your pre-filled data, your wages, bank interest, dividends and private health details is finalised by employers and other reporters. Lodge too early with incomplete information and you risk an amendment, which slows everything down. So here are your first 5 moves. 1. Log into MyGov and make sure the ATO is linked. 2. Wait for your pre-fill to finalise, usually late July. 3. Check every bit of income is showing before you start. 4. Add your work-related deductions with receipts ready to back them up. And 5. Double-check your bank details so the refund lands in the right account. Circle the 31st of October. That is your deadline if you lodge yourself. If you need more time, registering with a tax agent before that date can give you longer, but you must be on their books by the 31st of October. Once you have lodged, you do not have to sit and wonder. You can track the progress of your return in the ATO app or through MyGov, and the ATO will issue your notice of assessment once processing is complete. If anything looks off, that is your moment to act before the money moves. Tax time throws up new rules and deadlines every year, and we will keep you across all of them. Subscribe to the fine print so you never miss a change that affects your refund. Remember, this is general information only and not financial advice.